bullet car you can buy with the most horsepower available in stock form. And if you're gonna buy a Mustang, it has to be the V8 one. Don't buy the EcoBoost. Don't buy the V6. Stock, this thing makes a little under 400 horsepower already. So, and they go for about 3.5 million, I think. For that price, there's nothing you can buy that has 400 horses. It's a muscle car. We need to add more muscle, and that's what we're doing. We'll be installing a K&N intake here, and then we're doing a full exhaust also. And full exhaust consists of a pair of long tube headers, and then all the way to the, it's going to be a custom-made system all the way to the back, and we'll be using 2 Borla mufflers. And of course, we have to keep the quad tip as well. These are the long tube headers. And for everybody asking out there if it's a 421 or a 41, neither. Well, each pair is a 41 long tube header, you know, like this. So all 4 cylinders go into one common collector. Then there will be a H-pipe after this one. So if you own a Mustang and you're wondering H-pipe, X-pipe, what's the difference? I'm telling you right now, there's no difference. It doesn't matter which one you get. Installation is well, it takes a day just to remove the stock header. So once we have it out, we'll put it side by side for you guys to see what the difference is. Okay, we have one header out, and this is what the stock header looks like. As you can see, it's not exactly equal either. This is the longest one, this is the shortest, and these two are equal. Then it's 3 of it jammed all together. Then this is the catalytic converter. Just think of it that ito kalsada to. This is a roadway, then cars are passing through here. It doesn't take a brain surgeon to figure out that the speed here is faster than the speed here. So that's where the power comes from when you're designing headers. It's the increase in exhaust flow and how smooth it is. Headers alone, by the way, we've done several Mustangs, so we already know. Just putting on a set of headers with no tuning, no nothing, is around 20 to 25 horses more. Obviously, a lot more if we have it tuned. So, which is what we're gonna do with this Mustang anyway. After the intake and the full exhaust, we're gonna do ECU remap on it. That should be pretty fun to see and hear on the dyno. Oh, this is the box for the K&N Typhoon intake. We've actually installed it already. So this is the very nice fancy engine cover. And this entire thing's the intake. So we're changing it out with the K&N one. Our V8 Mustang is done, and well, these are the results. You heard it a while ago, sounds goddamn angry. So this red line here is our stock. Stock's a little under 350 horses. Green here is intake, headers, and the rest of the exhaust. So we lost a little bit here, that's to be expected, but managed to gain all the way up here. So it's now at 405 by 410 horses. This dotted line here is after ECU remap. From 400 horse, we went all the way up to 453, 454 horses. So if I'm gonna average this out here, the total gain from stock to tune, so it's this entire thing here. There you go, that whole thing there. So all of that pretty much comes out to around 70, 80 horse gain over stock. So not bad. That's pretty much what you expect from a Mustang. With just simple bolt-ons and a tune, you have a sub 500 horsepower car at the crank. So comment below what 500 horsepower cars that you know. But for pretty low investment of intake, header, exhaust, long tube, muffler, ECU remap, as of 2022, our pricing is around 150 for everything. Still, best bang for the buck, buy V8 Mustang.